In addition to our regular wall panel systems, which are laminated panels with aluminum honeycomb core or MDF core, Rigidized Metals also offers acoustical wall panels and ceiling panels, utilizing deep textured perforated material and acoustical material cores. This next project we'll be discussing is the Miami Beach Convention Center, where our metal acoustical wall panels were specified for an approximately 7,000 square foot area. These metal acoustical wall panels are comprised of 20 gauge stainless steel, perforated with a 33% open area and deep textured with our 1RL pattern. The textured perforated material was formed into pans, powder coated white, and utilized Johns Manville 1-inch thick whisper tone acoustical board. The core is a rigid acoustical board with a white scrim on the face to maintain the whiteness appearance through the perf holes. In order to maintain sufficient acoustical performance by allowing sound waves to pass entirely through the panel, we have to minimize the area covered by panel backing, and accordingly, we use only two 2-inch wide stainless steel C channels and attach the Z clips to these channels for panel mounting, as you can see in this photograph. For impact resistance at foot traffic level in the Miami Beach Convention Center, the cores on the bottom level of panels were not the acoustical material, and a MDF core painted white was used instead to offer the higher impact resistance, again, at the foot traffic level. As with our solid laminated wall panel system, our acoustical panel systems are a turnkey system shipped directly to the job site, where they're simply uncrated and installed with our simple Z-clip Z-rail attachment system. In addition to a very sufficient NRC level of 0.76, another very attractive benefit is the durability of a metal acoustical panel, which far exceeds that of fabric or wood acoustical materials. In this case, for additional impact resistance, as we just mentioned, the lower level of panels were an MDF core painted white. And here's some various shots of the entire wall sections covered with these panels. Our maximum panel size without framing involved for our acoustical wall panel is 24 inches by 48 inches. And to minimize the number of panel sizes and keeping the pricing down for the project, the architect utilized only 3 typical panel sizes and stepped the panels in the wall panel layout, as you can see in this picture. Now, there were some miscellaneous panel sizes, as there will be in any project, but there were only a very few, and with the 3 typical sizes, it allowed us to maintain a higher efficiency in our production, holding our production costs down and keeping the system very economical for the high performance.